Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you to Ansarkari, your own channel. I am your friend Vikas Bhardwaj. There are so many important topics and terminologies which are very crucial in order to understand certain programs and schemes. It is in this context we are taking up today e-green watch. E-green watch. The name implies that it would be linked with certain kind of software or certain kind of web-based application. How far it is true, that is only what we need to understand and its applications. So what is e-green watch? That is a kind of an information system which is going to collect and present information to monitor and track how well CAMPA funds, CAMPA, that is Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority. Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority. See, it is a very important body. It has been set up so as to see that activities in order to preserve and conserve and regenerate forest and vegetation cover is taking place, because it is such an important instrument which is going to help in sustainable development directly and indirectly. Because what it is doing, it is compensating whatever forests are being cut, whatever land is being diverted to industries, mining and other non-forest uses, it will be compensating. Lekin, will it be possible without any kind of monitoring system that automatically land will be created for forest purposes? Not truly so. That is why it is an integrated and online system that we claim and we see to be completely transparent, reliable and accountable, because again it is based on internet, or you can say information technology, or you can say it is completely scientific in nature. Then why we claim it is scientific in nature? Because it is going to produce all data in the real time and it will be accessible to the public and stakeholders. That means information will remain in public domain, thereby any kind of injustices, any kind of wrong doings will be completely highlighted, because monitoring is done by independent bodies and organizations. Evaluation and ecological audit also. What do you mean by ecological audit? That means like we do in case of commerce, similarly in context of ecology, we see how many plant, animal, flora and fauna, or even natural bodies like lakes or water bodies, they are preserved or they are rejuvenated using sustainable techniques. When it is being done by specialist organizations and when public involvement is there, that means participation of Gram Sabha, panchayat bodies and even non-governmental organizations, then it is definitely going to help how to make sure that e-green watch is not only just a tool but a very important organic mechanism. That is why automation is the key to it. Monitoring and evaluation is taken up by the state body, that is State Compensatory Afforestation Management Authority, and it empowers all administrators in link with other bodies to monitor the progress under various projects which are done by using CAMPA funds. Funds are very important because different organizations will be asked that you must do compensations. So there will be site specific compensations. Sites will be identified, areas will be identified, and then they will be asked to go for plantations and to make sure that not only just once it is done, plantation must be ensured that it is having a livelihood, or I mean to say a living form also for a long time to come, until unless they are like in their young age like a forest. So automation, as I told you, collection of the data, defined parameters are there, then storing the data, efficiency and transparency by IT enabled operations, and web based reports. That is why I told you in the beginning that e-Greenwatch is a very important body which is giving an institutional form or mechanism to both center and state, and also to each union territory, how to see that utilization of the fund is done in an efficient and transparent manner, and amount is utilized in order to create the fund, in order to create forest land when it is diverted for non-forest purposes. What is the key? Systemic maintenance, time and efficiency is also on track without any kind of errors. All projects are analyzed and monitored, and it is capable of showing the progress of the world, more importantly on satellite imagery. हवा में बात नहीं होती. You can take it to the public forum. You can take it to the court, and you can also facilitate the change detection for proper monitoring and evaluation. It's not that the company can lie and say. That is why Compensatory Afforestation Fund Act 2016 is a landmark event. Coming up in 2016, it is going to be a long-term sustainable mechanism by which you can claim that India is moving towards climate change initiatives also, along with development. So how it came into being, as I told you, in 2009 July, Supreme Court of India along with NIC, it asked NIC in consultation with the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, along with Forest Survey of India and state forest departments. See, all the bodies are there. State body is there, central government department is there, Forest Survey of India is there, to create an integrated web-based user-friendly online mechanism to facilitate and monitoring of all plantation and other activities carried out by state forest departments. That means chances of corruption are negligible, chances of diversion of funds are negligible, chances of doing work away from the public eye is negligible, and it is also creating a future, I should say, system or future example that how to best use such kind of funds. For example, Uttarakhand Campa, Haryana Campa, Chhattisgarh Campa, Tamil Nadu Campa, every state will be having their own, I should say, state body which is going to work in this direction. Because the National Advisory Council, or the body which when it came into being, it created in such a way that it is going to work in the right directions. So e-Greenwatch, as I told you, question is expected on the lines to understand other such mechanisms, other such bodies. If you suggest me few one, I'm going to take up those also in the near future, so that your keenness and your curiosity to learn and understand different concepts is generated. Please like, share, comment and subscribe Ansarkari to make sure that success comes with a bit of hard work and consistency. Nothing comes with fluke, everything is to be learned, but with patience and perseverance. Thank you very much for sharing your mindset and ideas with us, so that you can learn better and we can help you to facilitate the same. All the best.